Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacey Flowers and I am a student of Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University and on a journey to become 100% debt free. My current debt is over $200,000. I am on baby step number 2 to repay 100% of all my debts. My income is anywhere between $1,500 and $2,000 a month. And in this video, I am going to be making a delicious black bean burger from scratch. So if you are interested in that, please keep watching. To prepare your black beans from scratch, you are going to want to make some basic black beans. And I do have a recipe. I will link it in the description box as well as above. Prepare those black beans and then you want to mash 2 cups with a fork in a large mixing bowl. Then you want to take half a red bell pepper and you can chop or dice this as finely as you like. The thing to keep in mind with the bell pepper is that this is going to add a ton of flavor as well as texture. So it's your preference. Next, do the same with half an onion, chop or dice depending on your texture preference, but know that it's going to add so much wonderful flavor to these homemade black beans. After you have chopped your bell pepper and your onions, you're going to want to add some flavor to your black beans. So this is a basic black bean. There are no seasonings. I like Creole Seasoning, smoked paprika, a little bit of cumin, and then a little bit of liquid smoke just to add some heat. I just stir that up a little bit here in the pot. Then I add about a cup of frozen corn. You can add fresh corn. It's truly your preference at this point, but again, it adds texture. Then I'm going to add about a cup of plain breadcrumbs. My preference, you are more than welcome to add the zesty kind. After that, you want to toss in your flavor, aka bell peppers and onions. Oh my God, so good. At this point, you should smell the flavor of your black bean burgers because they are ready to be balled up and mashed into little patties. You're cooking for 1, so this will make 5 amazing, delicious, homemade black bean burgers. Toss it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Now, because I prepared a full crock pot of black beans, I have so many black beans left over. So I'm going to freeze about a quart of these black beans here in my larger mason jar. And then I'm going to put I think that's an 8-ounce mason jar. It's much smaller. It's 8-ounce mason jar. And I'm going to put that in the refrigerator to toss into my Buddha bowls throughout the week. Then, if you guys notice, I still have black beans left in the bottom of this crock pot, which is amazing. And that is what I'm going to use to make my black bean enchiladas. So out of 1 batch of black beans in a crock pot, a basic recipe, I have 5 black bean burgers, a quart size to freeze, and an 8-ounce jar to snack on with my Buddha rolls, plus some black bean enchilada tacos that will be coming up soon. Super excited about that. Now my black beans have been cooking for my burgers have been cooking for about 30 minutes. I'm going to take those out of the oven, and because I'm a little bit of a rebel, I'm going to eat this while it's hot and still sticking to the paper. Let's see. Oh my God, it's so good.